Today's Ask the Doctor comes from Eric. Eric has a question for Dr. James Davidson. The question, how soon after bariatric surgery can I expect to see the diabetes go away?
People ask how fast is their diabetes going to be improved with either a bypass or a sleeve. The answer to that is it's going to be improved faster with a bypass. And they may, if they don't have real severe diabetes, they may leave the hospital throwing away their metformin or their diabetic pills. With a sleeve, it may take longer. It may take a few months to both have a little weight loss and have a cumulative effects of the metabolic changes from a sleeve to resolve their diabetes. So my recommendation is if somebody wants to resolve their diabetes as fast as possible, you're probably better off to have a bypass.